Hi, I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at a pretty extraordinary 15.6-inch 2-in-1 laptop, the Dell Inspiron 7590, part of the company's 7000 series. It's a stealthy laptop with a thin, light, anodized aluminum case that's not particularly flashy. It weighs just a hair over 2 kilograms and measures just 18.9 millimeters at its thickest. Dell includes a useful range of ports, including USB Type-C, HDMI, a micro SD card slot, and a pair of USB 3.1 Type-A ports. My review unit was very nicely equipped with an 8th generation quad-core Intel Core i7 CPU, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, a 4K IPS touchscreen display, 512 gigabytes of PCIe SSD storage, GeForce graphics, and it even has an integrated active pen stylus. This is a full-size laptop with a big display, and it's very well equipped for productivity. Despite its large size, the lightweight and specially designed hinge make it very easy to convert this 2-in-1 laptop into other form factors, including a tablet, a very large tablet. While performance was snappy, the real star of this laptop is its display. This is a 15.6-inch UHD 4K display featuring Dell CinemaColor. It's very crisp for web browsing or working with Office, but the vivid colors and high resolution make it spectacular when it comes to viewing 4K video. The display support for the included Dell Active Pen stylus is really useful, especially with Windows 10 features like Windows inking. I'm doing some marking up in the Microsoft Edge web browser here, and the Active Pen stylus makes this a really smooth and natural process. The 15.6-inch display makes a really usable, no-compromise canvas size as well. When you first see it, 15.6 inches seems huge for a tablet. After all, the Surface Pro is only 12.9 inches. But when you set it on a table and start marking things up or taking notes, you can really appreciate the larger space to work in. I'm making a note for later reference or collaboration here, and you can notice how well and how quickly my really terrible handwriting is converted to readable text here. And when you're done, the stylus clicks into a protected storage slot and remains securely in place with magnets. With its NVIDIA GeForce MX250 video card and 2 gigs of dedicated video RAM, this laptop can even be used for light gaming. And I should mention battery life. In testing, I was averaging around 6 hours of battery life, which is the penalty you pay for the big high-resolution display. You could probably eke another hour or two out by being aggressive with the battery saver settings. Overall, the Dell Inspiron 7590 2-in-1 laptop is tough to resist. The design seems a little conservative at first, but the solid build and clever touches like the hinge design and active pen storage show a lot of thought went into this. Performance is top-notch, and that screen is really nice. With the 2-in-1 approach, integrated active pen, and that display, you're liable to find yourself suddenly making use of Windows inking features. To see all the latest new laptops and 2-in-1s from Dell and all the other leading PC manufacturers, be sure to visit Best Buy. And to learn more about the Dell Inspiron 7590, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.